I'm passionate about the Gardens of Somerset because over the last 12 or 15 years that I've been involved with senior housing, I've sat out on the porch with my residents. I've seen family members come and go. I've seen grandchildren and great-grandchildren that didn't really want to be there visiting because it wasn't engaging and they wanted to be on their electronic devices. The Gardens of Somerset will allow our residents to go out into the gardens, go to the chicken houses, go to the greenhouse and experience an activity with their sons, daughters, grandchildren, great-grandchildren. One thing about food, it brings people together, and this will allow that to happen. What sets the Gardens of Somerset apart from other communities, especially during the time of COVID-19 and this pandemic, is that it allows us to still be social and be safe. Gardens of Somerset is approximately 13 acres of gardens, chicken houses, greenhouses, and outdoor activities that they can experience together with family members or with other residents or people in the community and still be socially distanced and safe.